Hello everyone, I'm excited to give you an in-depth look at the next generation 2025 Toyota Camry. The Camry nameplate has a long, proud heritage as the #1 best-selling midsize sedan in America for the last 21 years in a row. The latest generation continues to build on its winning heritage with increased performance and efficiency, a new dose of style inside and out, and new technology for both safety and convenience to keep Camry the car so many households trust year after year. Now, let's discover what makes this generation the very best one yet. The new Camry will be offered in 4 grades: LE, XLE, and the sport-focused SE and XSE. And in every grade, performance is a focal point. Every Camry will now be 100% hybrid, bringing a combination of power and fuel efficiency, as well as agile, confidence-inspiring handling. This powertrain debuts Toyota's first ever pairing of its 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with the latest generation of the Toyota hybrid system, featuring a lithium-ion battery. This provides a great increase in horsepower over the prior generation's 4-cylinder gas and hybrid powertrains. Final specs will be shared closer to launch, but we are looking forward to a manufacturer-estimated 225 net combined horsepower on front-wheel drive models and 232 net combined horsepower on all-wheel drive models. Since every Camry is electrified, you can look forward to smooth, immediate torque generated by its electric motor. It offers an ideal combination of both performance and hybrid efficiency. Toyota's electronic on-demand all-wheel drive is now offered on Camry, and it's available on all grades. It enhances driver confidence and peace of mind whenever additional traction is needed. For an even more engaging drive experience, all models come standard with the ability to choose between 4 drive modes that remap the vehicle's throttle response depending on your mood or the task at hand. All grades showcase a retuned suspension for more responsive and agile handling without sacrificing drive comfort. And the SE and XSE grades will showcase a sport-tuned suspension for even greater stability, handling, and confidence behind the wheel. The new Camry brings a sleeker look inside and out without compromising any of the versatility that it's known for. Let's take a look at the exterior design. You'll notice a more athletic look to both the front and rear, as well as a sleeker roofline. All grades will feature LED headlights, and each grade will also wear a distinct grille true to its character. To take things a step further, XSE features a body color matching sport grille, and the sporty SE and XSE grades showcase racing-inspired, functional aerodynamic air ducts and front side canards. You'll also notice a rear diffuser as well as a rear lip spoiler. The XSE grade features some exclusive design elements from head to toe. 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels in a smoke gray colored finish come standard, and a 2-tone midnight black metallic roof is available. Moving on to the interior, the new Camry has been adorned with new levels of refinement, and passengers in every seat will appreciate the fine details that have gone into enhancing their comfort and convenience. A dual-zone automatic climate control system with rear air vents comes standard across the lineup, as does flexible storage space for greater utility. There are also 8 cup and bottle holders spread throughout the cabin. Ergonomic improvements for seating comfort were a focal point in this generation. For example, the front seats have updated seat backs and repositioned headrests. Heated and ventilated front seats are available as well, depending on grade. The sporty SE and XSE grades come with standard aluminum sport pedals, in addition to a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters. Unique to the XSE, you'll notice artistic perforations in the leather-trimmed seats. On the XLE, a new quilted pattern interior trim made of dynamic microfiber brings a sophistication all its own. And both XLE and XSE offer the option of adding a panoramic glass roof with a front power tilt and slide moonroof. The new Camry showcases Toyota's latest technology for comfort, convenience, and safety. And you'll feel it as soon as you hop in. The Toyota audio multimedia system, paired to a standard 8-inch or available 12.3-inch touchscreen display, is front and center. This system houses Toyota's available connected services, offers an available 9-speaker JBL premium audio system, and features standard compatibility with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, so drivers can stay connected to their devices while on the go. That central touchscreen isn't the only screen drivers will appreciate, as a 7-inch digital gauge cluster comes standard, and a 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster is available. And to ensure everyone's devices stay charged up, the new Camry will offer both USB-A and USB-C ports, with 3 up front and 2 in the rear. A Qi wireless charging pad also comes standard. For further convenience and safety, there will be a wide range of advanced features for peace of mind while behind the wheel. The Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite comes standard, with features like a pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Also standard across the lineup for convenience is blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. There you have it. Camry just keeps getting better. It builds on the quality, durability, reliability, and safety that have made it the nation's top choice sedan for over 2 decades in a row. With its focus on bringing together the optimal balance of power, efficiency, style, and technology, we can't wait for you to experience it for yourself.